QuietPulse DC TIG Welding has a distinct buzzing sound. QuietPulse Technology turns down the volume on the annoying sound that comes with pulsing so you can tune into the weld and focus on the job at hand. The benefits of pulsing include increased travel speed, reduced heat input, and less distortion for greater control over the appearance of the finished weld. And now you can do it without the buzzing noise. Traditional DC pulse welding utilizes a square wave, but now you can activate QuietPulse by changing the wave shape to sine wave or triangle wave during DC pulse welding, creating a slower, more fluid transition between the background and peak amperage to create the least possible audible noise. Hear the difference with QuietPulse Technology. Tune into the weld with QuietPulse Technology.